What's up everyone, welcome to Stockton. It's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we talk about stocks before they start blowing up, say goodbye to chasing stocks at all-time highs, and say hello to making some money. So if this sounds like something you want to take advantage of, then hit that beautiful subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get to it. Before we get into the video, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just my opinion and is for entertainment purposes only. Having said that, if I'm talking about a company, I'll let you know whether I'm personally going to invest in it or not towards the end of the video. But you should always do your own due diligence, so with that out of the way, let's get started.
Today, we're talking about a really exciting company with massive potential. The company we're talking about is called Ilika. This company has two ticker symbols. If you're in the UK, the ticker symbol for this company is IKA.L. If you're based in the United States, then you want to search for this company using the ticker symbol ILIKF. Now, let me explain why I'm so excited about this company. Ilika is a pioneer in solid-state battery technology, enabling solutions for applications such as Industrial Internet of Things, MedTech, EV, and consumer electronics. Although the scope for growth is massive in all three fields, I want to focus primarily on the EV side of things. Just because EVs are hot right now, and one of their direct competitors recently just blew up massively. In case you haven't guessed it yet, I'm talking about Quantumscape. Quantumscape, just like Ilika, plans to produce solid-state batteries. They went public via a SPAC merger earlier this year, and just look at what their share price has done over the last year. Absolutely insane growth there. So in comparison, Ilika is currently trading at around $3, so given the similarities between the two companies, it's not too difficult to imagine how high this share price can actually go. And this is even more interesting. Quantumscape, in their investor presentation, outlined their roadmap, which isn't too dissimilar to Ilika's roadmap. And as you can see here, they don't expect products to be in the market before 2026. Although a similar roadmap, Ilika actually plans to have their products in the marketplace earlier than Quantumscape. Next, let's see what the CEO of Ilika had to say about the comparison between their company and Quantumscape.
Well, if you look at the roadmaps of some of our competition, they are not dissimilar to the ones that we've been publicizing and talking to partners about. So in terms of the availability of our Goliath prototypes for evaluation, we're very much on the same track. One of the reasons for Quantumscape's large planned IPO is that actually they're planning to build their own, let's call it a gigafactory, with the capacity to be able to manufacture those batteries. So, rule of thumb is that these plants cost between $500 million US to $750 million US per gigawatt hour. So they're big investments. And that's part of the reason why Quantumscape are raising such a large amount of capital in order to fund that. We've chosen a different route in that we will be going through, the UK's national facility, the UK BIC, as the first step, and then scaling up through a JV with an existing cell manufacturing company to get to the gigawatt scale. So we haven't quite got the same demands for capital investment, and I believe that we've got a very skilled, perfectly formed development team in our organization, and we've made great progress over the last 6 months and expect further progress going forward.
So as we can see, although a similar roadmap, Ilika's business model is less capital intensive, which is a positive sign. Ilika is developing the Goliath solid-state battery product line to address the growing demand for safe, high-performance batteries for electric vehicles. It's widely believed that solid-state batteries are the future of EV batteries, and that these will replace lithium-ion batteries that are currently in use. The main difference between the batteries is that lithium-ion batteries use liquid electrolytic solution to regulate flow, whereas solid-state batteries use a solid electrolyte. Solid-state batteries theoretically could store twice as much as energy as lithium-ion batteries. And one final thing that I'd like to show you here is that this company's balance sheet looks really good. Ilika currently is debt-free, and they've not had any debt for the past 5 years. So let me know what you think about this company. Do you think that this can go as high as Quantumscape? Are you going to invest in this company, or do you think it's too risky? Personally, I'm starting a position in Ilika tomorrow as a long-term hold. That's it for today, guys. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.